Good day, I am Vincent Singbaha, a second year BTLED student, major in home economics. So today I am with my father and
Pwede siya
he will
ma-prank, pero
going
pa
to show me some of
makuha ba?
his
Makita ko.
knowledge about electronics, like fixing wires, especially the extension wires. So for our materials that we're going to use, we have an old and broken extension wire. We also have a piece
Duha
of
ni
male plug
duha man lagi
or
ni.
male
Duha na
connector
ka wire, pwede duha ka wire na mas
and
kusulay.
switch. So the
Series
tools
mo ni.
that we are going to
Total
use,
series.
we have pliers, Phillips screwdriver, and electrical
Duha ka
tape.
wire. Ay,
So in this part, we are
isa ra to
going
ni.
to
Tama
open the
ni.
female plug and inspect what's inside. So in this part, we already opened the female plug using the tool screwdriver. In this part, as what my father did, he loosened the terminal screw which is located inside the female plug so that we can replace the wire that has been attached in that terminal screw. Since this broken extension wire is very old, we will have to find another quality and good wire
Mo
to
na yung
replace the
gigamit ng
old
pag
one so that we can
sa
make
arts.
a new extension wire that is better than new. As you can see here, these wires are going to be discarded, but my father collected it so that we can use it for another purpose. So as you can see here, this is the inside of the female plug.
So ani
So
ra
this
i-attach
is this terminal screw wherein you can attach the bronze colored conductor. And in this part, my father did is that he cut off the damaged plug and used a utility knife to split and slice off the jacket. So the jacket that I am referring to is an outer sheath that protects the wire or the cable core from mechanical, moisture, and chemical issues. That is why the jacket is a plastic material. So most jackets in usual wires help with flame resistance, protect against sunlight, and facilitate installation. So my father is carefully removing the jacket so that he cannot cut the conductor that is going to be attached in the terminal screw which is located inside the female plug. So in this part, we are now attaching the conductor to the terminal screws. So these terminal screws are already loosened up
naman lagi ka ng isa ka ingani na.
Mo lagi.
Pwede nagsa
Pwede. Itaod man ito.
and here attached the conductor which is the bronze colored one
Series. Series.
in the wire. So after attaching the conductor to the terminal screws, we will gonna tighten it. So we will going to use the same procedure in attaching the conductor to the terminal screws on the other side. So after attaching the conductor to the terminal screws, we will gonna close the female plug with its covering.
So, flat.
o suwayag butang og switch ang kining wire before corny.
So I've asked my father if is it possible to use switch on the extension wire. So he agreed that it is very possible. So in this video we will going to make an extension wire with a switch. So the type of wire that we are using in this video in making an extension wire is NM cable, which is a type of circuit wiring designed for interior use in dry locations. So most of these wires or NM wires have a flattened tubular shape and run invisibly through the walls and floor cavities of your home. So almost all of the wiring in outlets and light fixtures a modern home is NM cable. So this type of wire is usually seen or usually being utilized on usual extension wires at home. What my father did here is that he is attaching one conductor that is connected to the female plug and one conductor connected to the male plug. After attaching the two conductors, he enclosed it with an electrical wire for protection. And now for the switch. So the remaining conductors will be attached to the switch. And this is how my father did. He used a tiny screw and inserted to the lock of the terminal so that he can insert the conductor to the terminal hole. After placing the conductor to the terminal hole, he then removed the inserted tiny screw on the lock and released. Now the conductor inserted to the terminal is firmly attached. He first inserted the remaining conductor that is connected to the female plug and do the same process to the other hole, placing the remaining conductor that is connected to the male plug. Now we will going to test the extension wire we made that has a switch.
Live na akong saksak ha.
Check na to. Daan. Naka-attach na. So ayan na to. Magana ba?
Apa?
Sige. Charge.
Ha?
Function. Tapos, huwag yun eh. Hindi na to.
Saksakan pwede pa.
Pwede duha?
Oh, duha.
Duha kay ingani.
Oh,
Duha kay ingani.
Butangan po ani diri pikas. Duha ka switch. Ay isa ka switch.
Duha ka ingani. Unsa itawag gani ani? One way ra?
Two way ni siya.
Two way.
Two switch.
Pero din siya series.
Series. Kani, pwede man siya ikuha series.
Mm. Background ni mga ingani pa na may training. Ayun siya training. Mga ingani.
Experience ka.
Experience. Pero magbuhat na maggawa ayun ka na yung mag-adyo-adyo pag mga ingani sa barko.
Kahit ano po, pang electrical ko. Pwede mag-kiyang yan.
Or nasay ay murag na
Electrician.
sa inyong barko.
Hindi pwede mo makikap ko. In case of yung mga damage.
Pero og nay mga damage jud digit ka may magbuhat og mga ingani. So experience ra.
Ang katulang ni based on actual experience. Mga bahay sa una. Ano to?
Ano na narbaho di pug kag ngani?
Wah, tatari ka. Tudlo.
Ah.
Sakan. Series ni mo ni. Isa ka linyada. Kung maghimo pa kaglayang saksakan nga ni, Hintay. Hintay magtapat ning duha kanay. Kining isa ka line ani. Isa ka line ani. Ari tuplok
Sa pikas.
ana nga gikan sa source ari po diri pikas. So inig ka to duha na imong saksakan bali. Ana. Pwede ka saksak dire. Basta maghimo kag switch. Ano mo to?
Kini.
O basta maghimo kag switch. Himo yung kag switch. Himo may ikabit ana. Ang isa diretso. Ang isa live. Ang isa positive, isa negative. So kani di na pwede nimo ana ibutangan na di na mo kay kuha na di na mo pangsyon. Isa ra
Kining Hintay pareani. Kining wire ra. Oh. Oh, kini nga wire, kini ug kini butang ani pwede.
Dili.
Di siya on.
Di. Pwede ani. Pwede direct niya na duha na. Pero maghimo dyan kag switch. Pero dili mo switch. O direkta na dili mo switch.
Mo diretso ra siya kuan.
Oh, sure.
Bisag naka-off ni.
Kinalan yung putlon ni ang isa linya, ang isa putol, ang isa diretso.
Diretso.
Naman po yung mga switch nga, yung mga normal nga switch nga mo isa ra di mong putlon. Isa ra putlon nimo isa diretso. Isa ra mo putlon, isa ra diretso.